Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fit the screen in DaVinci Resolve 18 Adjust Video to Fit Screen Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device, and once you're already in, just choose in the project wherein you want to go ahead and adjust a clip. So I'm onto a project already wherein I have added a clip onto the timeline. So feel free to drag and drop the photo or videos that you want to add onto your timeline in here. Now, since I've added a clip already, so if you want to go ahead and fit this to screen, what you need to do, you should be able to find an option to go ahead and fit this to screen here. So simply click on fit and it will automatically adjust this as per it fits. So you could also use the shortcut key that is shown in there, which is C, and then you could just scroll also onto the mouse just like that to go ahead and adjust this as per your liking. Now if you click on Z again, it will go ahead and automatically fit this back to the screen. Another shortcut key here on Windows is Control F, and it will automatically go ahead and zoom in or fit your video onto the screen. And that is how easy you could go ahead and fit the screen in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.